dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals.
So today's video is gonna be how I get this really cute bun with this little twist to it with these little 2 braids. This is gonna be my first time wearing my hair like this, so let's see how it comes out. And make sure you guys subscribe and comment some suggestions down below so that I can make more videos. And yeah, let's just get into the video.
Okay, so the first thing I'm about to do is take this wide tooth pink comb and then take all the tangles out of my hair around where I'm gonna get to. This is just a good way that I take the kinks out. That way when I smooth my ponytail up with my brush, I don't have to worry about it being any knots. And that just doesn't make the ponytail look sleek. So yeah, and then I'm taking my comb and I'm parting 2 little pieces in the front of my head. This is what the twist is gonna be. Which is just 2 braids in the front of my head. I feel like I seen this on Instagram and it was really, really cute. And then I seen one of my favorite YouTubers do it. I think her name is They Call Me Desi. I think that's how you say it. But you just do that to both sides, and it kind of looks like you have a triangular part in the middle of your head. So once you got 2 pieces parted the way you want it, you just want to braid them. First, I wet them first. You're going to see me wet them first. Then I just run the comb through the part. And then I'm just going to start braiding it. And you just braid it all the way down. And then once you get to the bottom, like swirl the end on your finger, that way it's curly at the bottom. Just gather your hair up in a ponytail and spray around the perimeter of your ponytail. And then once you get it all wet and ready for the ponytail, you want to take a brush and slick it up. This brush I bought from the beauty supply, that brush is hard. I need to boil in some hot water because that brush hard. But the lady in the beauty supply said that after a while it will soften up of you using it and it get wet. So, and I do need a hard bristle brush. That's how I get my sleek ponytails and stuff. And then I just brush my edges out. That way it's not that hard to get them sleek later. And every time I make a video, it's a fly. Every time. It's not one time I make a video that ain't no fly. Now I'm about to take my Shiny Gem gel. I just started using this. I kind of actually like this gel a lot. It doesn't make my hair hard at all. And it does make my hair look soft and shiny and all that good stuff. And this can also work for your edges, like. And it smells real good, y'all. It smells so good. So I put that all around my ponytail, all around my head. And the purpose for the decoy ponytail is just so you don't have to hold your hair in your hand as you're putting the products in the water and stuff. This just helps me a lot when I'm trying to get my hair really slick. So you guys should try it. And yeah, so I'm just brushing and smoothing everything up. And then I take this tiny tooth comb, rat tail comb, and I just smooth any kinks out. You just style the bun to your liking. So then you just gather your hair into a ponytail. Now we're about to make the actual ponytail. But right now I'm just smoothing it out just so it can go in the ponytail. Okay, so now is the time to start making the bun. But first, I'm going to just put a little bit more gel and tighten my ponytail up. Just so I can get a sleeker look. And all I do is just take pieces of my bun and just wrap it around. That's pretty much how I get my bun. And then I secure it with this scrunchie. But you're going to see I'm going to do it a few times before I get it the way I like. Edge Effect edge control that I got from the beauty supply. I think it was about $3. And I'm just putting that around my edges. And then I'm going to show you guys how I do them. So all y'all got to do is just watch me, and then you'll learn from watching me how I do my edges. hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial because I sure love making it. Please make sure y'all subscribe and comment below. This is the finished look. And I love y'all.